studying charge, then for the measurement of charge, you have come across an instrument called gold leaf electroscope. Here you can see this is a plastic container. Original gold leaf electroscope, it has a glass container, and the top of it there is a copper plate, and this is connected by a copper wire and with two aluminum foils. And nowadays aluminum foils are available in everybody's house for wrapping foods, etc. But that should not be coated. Why I say coated? Because most of the packaging are done by coated aluminum. But you have to take uh, the aluminum which is being used for wrapping food. Now you see it is already deflected. Then what should be done? Now remember that this is a conductor. And as I have said, in a conductor, these electrons can move. So if I place some charge over here, there is another phenomena actually happens, that is called electrostatic induction. That is called electrostatic induction. Electrostatic induction. That means when a charged body, say negatively charged, is brought another neutral body, what happens? This negative charge attracts the positive charge. Actually, as I already said, that positive charge cannot move. Then what happens? Because of these negative charges, the electrons are repelled and they are collected on the other side of the body. And therefore, the excess positive charge remains here. So, this is called induction. This is electrostatic induction. So, if it is positive charge, this side will be negative and this side will be positive. And remember that positive charge cannot move. Now, we shall show that this is a metal. So, the charge can move here and there. Now, we see, even I am sitting on floor, if I touch it, the charge has gone. Where it has gone? Through my body, it goes to the earth. Now, I am again taken my this balloon. Balloon is wonderful. I held it and see there is a deflection. I remove it. That means if balloon is negatively charged, this part is positively charged and this below part is, I touch it, nothing. Again I touch it. I remove my hand. I remove, again it has deflected. So, again you see very carefully what I am doing. I touched, if that is positive, electrons come through my body and neutralizes it. And if this is electrons, and it is negatively charged, it has gone to the earth through my body. Now, when this is charged, say this is positively charged, this is positively charged. So, when I brought near it, there is a deflection. That means positive charge induced negative charge here, and this is positive charge. I can touch it. I can touch it, and I just hold it. So that charge in the leaf has gone away. I remove my hand. Now the upper charge has been redistributed, so we get this. So again we repeat this, because this part students always get confused. Don't get confused, it is very easy. I say this is positive. So by induction it becomes negative. When I touch it, it's still negative. Now the residual negative charge is there. So I touch it, gone. Now this has no charge. So for the sake of clarity, again I am repeating, say this is positively charged. When I brought it here, this become negative and this become positive. If I touch it, still some more. I am keeping it like this. I have done nothing. And again charge. I touch it. You see the charge has increased. Again I do it. See, now I touch. That means if this is positive, this is negative, this is positive charge. If I touch, electron from the ground comes to neutralize the positive charge. I remove my earth connection and I remove it. So the positive charge, negative charge has been distributed to here, whatever charge was here, to the whole of electroscope, so it is deflection. And the amount of deflection is a measure of how much charge is there. Of course, it is not exactly mathematical, it is logically again. So say this is there is no charge. I am taking this. As it comes towards it, see, little. So this distance, it has charge. This distance. If I charge it, I go away, goes. I come here, again it is showing deflection. That means the amount of deflection is a measure of charge. Thank you. So this is gold leaf electroscope principle, but we are not using gold leaf, and this is ordinary plastic container which is available in the market. A better thing you have to take so that it become transparent. And let me tell you something very implicitly, that these experiments can only be done in winter dry season. If there is raining or the places where there is lots of moisture, such as Darjeeling. Throughout the year, Darjeeling has a lots of moisture. So you cannot perform this experiment. Or you can perform an experiment, you have to make a glass box. In that glass box, you have to make, dry up, you put some fused calcium chloride, which is the dehydrating agent, or concentrated sulfuric acid, but that is not good thing. By that, you can dehydrate it. There should not be any water. Then inside that box, you can do this, perform this experiment. But it is not necessary. If you are on plane or anywhere where there is bright sun, you can easily do it. And this experiment beautifully can be done in Ladakh, which is very, very dry. Thank you very much.